Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about how to update Opera to the latest version. Opera updates itself automatically whenever an update is available. However, you can also try to update Opera to the latest version manually. Launch Opera and select the Opera logo. The Opera logo at the top left of the browser window. Select help about Opera. Opera will start checking for updates automatically and install if it finds any updates that are available. Once the updates are installed, click on the Relaunch now. Button to restart Opera and finish the installation. Thanks for watching and don't forget